What a performance from Nuno Santos. It is him celebrate eceleni yedwa bafowethu. When you see something beautiful, you talk about it. What a performance. But i-combination yakhe nabanye abadlali laphana inside the field of play, wenze sure ukuthi i-Sundowns iyadlala, and he was combining well noMudau, he was combining well no Arthur Sales. Arthur Sales Mengena was combining well throughout the game. No Allende was combining well first half, no Risinho. So kubaluleke kakhulu for i-Sundowns if they are to push for i-continental showpiece, i-continental football. You will inspire Sundowns to izinto ey'nkulu. Kodwa na into engizoyisho, abazomthatha naye angeke bamyeke. Hhayi, yabona umuntu oyinkinga kanje, kusho if uzoba inkinga kanje isizini yonke, u-contribute ama-opportunities, ashaye amagoli, enze everything. Akusinaye i-striker lo muntu lo, just nje udlala ezi-number 10, i-free role yakhe ukuthi uyazenzela. But-ke uyi-danger, uyingozi, ushaya ama-passes a-good, u-connecta good ne-strike, ama-assist kusho ukuthi uzowashaya, ama-goals uzowashaya. So bona ukuthi i-contribution yakhe izoba ngakanani. Cause washo kwi-interview laphana wathi i-agent lakhe lathi so ukuze babe attracted to i-Sundowns babonile ukuthi okay mawudlala ku-Sundowns ukwazi uthola more exposure to ama-teams wase-Middle East nama-teams nje all over the world cause i-Sundowns idlala i-CAF Champions League year in year out each and every season. So for bona bayazi ukuthi le cup le libaluleke kangakanani or le competition le ibaluleke kangakanani ukuthi abantu abaningi baba-notice bababone. Nama-teams wase-North Africa already bazobona sebayazi ngabo Nuno Santos ukuthi khona umuntu ekuthiwa uNuno Santos already unamagoli. First game nje yakhe laphana kuma-group stages ushaye 2 goals. Could have scored more of course, but what a superstar, what a player. Then uRisinho, I mean i-football IQ, football intelligence, composure on the ball, akekho fancy but uzokushaya ngephasi, uzokunika ibhola. I-Sundowns ibalance lapha neswing okusivezelayo ukuthi khona abangeke badlale lapha ku-Sundowns, khona abazodlala kuBafana Bafana nje kuphela, ku-Sundowns ngeke badlale. If ukhompyutha nomuntu nabantu aba-powerful kanje eswini, wena unumber bani? Unumber bani ngempela? Cause masibheka kuzoba nzima ukuthi amajita akhompyuthe, akuzoba nzima. Maybe if ilokhu njani i-Sundowns beyisasekhona lese kwamanye ama-cup competitions or maybe ko-Nedbank Cup bazobazama laba abanye. Kodwa what I saw today, I saw pure brilliance. I saw world class football ePitori. Ama-performances wabafowethu laphana, you could see ukuthi okay bamini business. Yibo-ke abantu laba, mina love watching beautiful football ukuthi abantu baphumile basuke ezindlini zabo bagibela amateksi baqasha iy'moto ukuthi zibabeke laphana e-stadium banethwa yimvula. Just give people what they came for. Give them proper nice football. That's what uRisinho, Nuno Santos gave. 2 Portuguese connection. I'll never forget the way ba-connecting ngakhona. Ukwazi hayi bafowethu, no, what a combination, what a connection from the two. And the fact that baya-understandana nolokhunjana no Allende no Arthur Sales Mengena, uyakwazi ukuba bashaya ama-one touch, bashaya ama-one touch ngaze ngasho ukuthi akudlalwa ziyakhala ngempela. One touch. Kushaya uNunos. No, why ngithi uNunos man? Yes, uNuno Santos ukushaya ngephasi ongaliboni. Ulibona-ke sekuphuma iplayer lililande. uRisinho naye ugood, there's a good pass off the ball. So they have a powerful squad. Obviously-ke sebayazi ukuthi bazobuild i-team around obani. Sebazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi okay, if we were to build a strong team, naba abantu bazoshayela amagoli. And you don't take off umuntu ofana nolokhunjana naye uNuno Santos, you don't take him off. And we can appreciate u-Arthur Sales ukuthi uqala ebhentshini, but-ke leyo nto ayim-discourage, uyakwazi ukungena from ebhentshini akwazi ukuba influential for i-Sundowns and then kuyitholela ama-result. Ukuba khona, ukuba lively. Even the previous game ku-Betway Premiership ungene ebhentshi, uqala ebhentshini wangena second half wakwazi ukuconnecta no-Rainers, bamfakile futhi late. No problems at all ukuthi ningiqalisa igame, no complaints, just pure football, golden pure football. And then yes, I think kubalulekile ukuthi ngimenshine le nto le abanye abadlali laphana ku-Sundowns. uGrant Kekana. I-experience ayithengwa bafethu. You don't buy experience ku-grocery store. You get it by performing to your highest level or keep performing. That is why I saw even something during the week ukuthi maybe bangamselecta for iBafana Bafana because of baya ku-careful and une-experience. Angazi-ke ku-selection yakuBafana Bafana. But what he showed today, I mean, is calm under pressure. Is able to play from the back, uconnecta kahle no-Williams, baya-understandana. noMudau nang eceleni bayazi ukuthi uMudau ukuphi, and bayazi ukuthi uMudau uyazi ulo because of udlala kusayidini laka-right, ku-central, but udlala ku-right kancane. Usapota uMudau uma ehambile uyakwazi ukumkhavela ukuthi if uMudau akekho baluphi ibhola uzokwazi ukuba i-first man aclear-e leyo nto leyo, or alibambe nje alibuyisele ku-Williams. So like i-understanding yabo ibaluleke kakhulu for bona abadlali. So that is why yabona ama-player understand-anayo, akudingeki nokuthi uwa-coach, iwakwinile igame. When the players are in sync, same thing lento leka-Santos no-Risino, when they understand each other, when they know ukuthi mangizoshaya iphasi elikanje, mangibamba ibhola kanje, wena phuma, mangibamba ini, like yizo lezo zinto lezo, yabo. Hayi thina kusho ukuthi ilo technical ability obviously asinayo better than oRisinho. I mean, I had this, abantu bavele baskore ibhola nje ukuthi ebhokisini liyozibona. Lo kushayela ipass from a distance, I move your faith, you feel him. But yeah, good performance from Khuliso Mudau, good performance. Mudiba, good performance. Ubani Matthews, good performance, but final product he later down. That is why, but uzoku-assistela ngishilo kwenye clip ukuthi uzoxolisa ngokuthi a-assiste kwamanye amalo. Good football. Njalo ubonakala dangerous, mebamba ibhola u-dangerous uMatthews, around 18 ku-danger zone. So uyakwazi futhi ukuthi angavele afake ibhola laphana phezulu. Isikhathi esiningi mebamba ibhola laphana ku-byline, ulifuna ukulishaya lihambe phansi. Same thing lento beyenziwa uModiba, lihamba phansi ibhola lidla utshani. Cupido usizile la, to be honest, naye usizile laphana. Bekalwa, ngimbonile ulwile ngempela uCupido laphana emuva, because understandile ukuthi they knew this team ukuthi okay izodefend isikhathi esiningi, izozama ukubakhesha kuma-counter, and then bona noma kuthiwa iyakora la team bekumele ba-respond, and they responded very well. But okay, it's not over. As much as they considered igoli bebangafuni ukuthi-consider, but they did not give up. Bavele bathi okay, we'll come back. And then they did come back second half, and then they showed why bama-champions wase-South Africa. They showed why bazokwazi ukukhompyutha. Yeah, ngicela ukulokho njani ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Congratulations to i-Sundowns nama-player adlale kahle. Thank you bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi sifika ku-15,000 subscribers.